It is a pleasure and a great matter of pride that one of the advanced air mobility operators in the eVTOL sector, SkyDrive, has decided to partner with us. We are indeed privileged to give them a company and be a part of their program. What is also very a matter of great pride for us is that people are coming to India for such manufacturing, design, etc. And Kineco is spearheading that in the area of advanced air mobility.
After visiting the facility, when they saw our parts, our engineering capability, the flight critical components that we had made, they were very impressed, and that's where they sought our support, and our price matched their expectation, and of course the engineering capabilities which we have, it clicked in our favor.
Kineco has always believed that advanced composites would be very key in the future of mobility. We from aerospace and defense now have transitioned to advanced air composites, and this we think is the future. We have worked on past projects with ISRO as well, if you would know us from there, and we think that this step with SkyDrive is just the start of the journey ahead for Kineco.